This is Driving with Myles. Let's talk about merging on the expressway. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. The speed limits will change, and what I need you to focus on is looking straight ahead. A lot of beginning drivers will look down. They won't look ahead. I'm looking ahead. I see the red lights. I see the truck ahead of me. You always have to look ahead. If you look down and take your eyes off the road, you won't be able to really manage. I'm going to make a lane change, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Try to make your lane changes before the intersection. That was my bad habit. So I'm looking ahead. Speed control is pretty good. A lot of beginning drivers will drift off the road to the left, so I'm going to show you. See me going off the road? I don't want to do that. But centrifugal force, listen to this. Centrifugal force, see, I'm off the road. You don't want to do that. You want to look ahead and aim high. You want to look ahead at the blue truck. They had on their blinker for 3 blinks. They're to the right lane, so they're either going to have to adjust your speed or get cut off. So I'm looking ahead, I'm scanning. My hands are at about, 12 and 1, really too small. You want to spread your hands out. A lot of beginner drivers will stare at white vehicles or cars, so I'm going to get over 1 lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. You want to be really smooth in the curve, as smooth as you can. You want to take your time and look ahead and aim high. Driving on the expressway is a little bit challenging and tricky, but you want to maintain good speed. You want to stay smooth. You want to look ahead. You have the chevron alignment signs telling you that this is a really sharp curve. You want to take your time. I'm increasing my following distance. That is a knowledge test question. Increasing your following distance, you can see you don't want to tailgate other cars and trucks. Let's make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Made that nice lane change. Now we have an open lane. The lanes to the right are for slower moving traffic. The lanes to the left, that's your passing lane. So I'm maintaining good speed. The black minivan used 2 blinks of the blinker. Challenge yourself to see what cars are doing. The truck ahead of me is kind of drifting to the right a little bit. I have pretty good speed control. I see the cars to the right merging on. I see that big truck, the yellow truck. You don't want to be in the right lane to deal with all that. Why would you do that? You want to look ahead. You want to aim high. You want to scan. So this has been a quick tutorial on how to merge on the expressway, how to stay smooth, the pack ahead of me. So I'm a state certified instructor. This has been Driving with Myles. I need you to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.